Now let's study cheating. So in this case what happens is that a person intentionally or by fraud force another person to deliver him or her their property. Okay? So now you can write it over here as someone who by deceiving another person dishonestly or fraudly induces them to deliver property, consent to its retention, or to do or omit something they would not have done or omitted otherwise, causing damage or harm. Now let's see elements in this. So the first one is deceiving. Second one is fraudulently or dishonestly. Third one is act or omission. And fourth one is likely to cause damage to a person, to a person's mind, reputation, or property. So now let's understand it. So what happens in this case is that a person try to make someone else believe something that is not true. He does it in case so that he can take that person's property or wanted to harm that person or try to damage their reputation. Now let's see example in this case. So the example is A by falsely pretending to be in the civil servant intentionally deceives Z and thus dishonestly induces Z to let him have on credit goods for which he does not mean to pay. Over here, A has committed cheating. Now let's understand this case. So there are two person in this case, A and Z. So you can see that A wanted to buy goods from Z and A says that he is an civil servant. Although he is not civil servant, but he says to Z that he is civil servant and he will not pay for the goods. In this case, you can see that A has cheated Z by saying that he is civil servant although he is not civil servant.